Good day. In today's video I will show you how we're gonna remove the central mirror on the Mercedes W116. We have here a mirror, and as we can see there's no screws, there's nothing that indicate how we can remove it. Depending if he has been removed before or not, it can be simple to remove or it can be very hard. Okay, so all you have to do in fact is just pull it, grab it and pull it. So you just move this out of the way, you grab it by the handle and we're gonna yank it. This is our mirror, and if we look, this is the mechanism. So we got a spring here, and on each side we got two little bits, points, I'm not too sure how you want to call that, and this is what actually hold the mirror on the roof. Okay, so if you have a look, I've placed a little bit of grease on both sides, okay, just for ease of it. Okay, that never hurts to place a bit of grease, and then you can use a bit of some pliers, and then you grab it and you press it just to make sure that the grease goes a bit inside as well, inside this. So like that, when you want to place it back, or when next time if you want to remove it, it's gonna be a bit easier. Okay, so now I'll show you how we're gonna put it back together. To place back the rear view mirror, if it's well greased, you should be able to place in, push it hard, and then it should go in. Okay, if it doesn't, you place one side first and then you've got the other bit that's there. So what you do, you take a screwdriver and you push it slightly and you push it at the same time, and it should go in. Okay, it should go in without any problem. But I will try, because I've greased it, I'll try to push it in like that and see what happens. Here we go. See, it's in. So that's how you remove it, and that's how you place it back. That's it for today. I hope that you have liked the video, and please stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, so like that you will know all the new videos that are coming about that particular car. Okay, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.